In the last class, we discussed up to theory part of the exercise 1.1 is finished. Exercise 1.1 finished. Now we are going to study the test of divisibility. Tests of divisibility. Tests of divisibility. Divisibility. Tests of divisibility. Okay. Here, some tests are come. Whether the number is given number is divisible by the number. For example, here first divisibility rule is divisibility by 10. Divisibility by 10. Divisibility by, this is first one. Divisibility by 10. We are checking here whether the given number is divisible by 10 or not. How to say the given number is divisible by 10? Here, one simple concept is there. From a simple concept, we will say the given number is divisible by 10 or not. What is that simple concept? The number having in its units place, in units place 0, then only the given number in units place 0. The number having in units place is 0, then the given number is divisible by 10. For example, here example, we have to write the examples. Example 240, it is divisible by 10. 3270, it is divisible by 10. 4500, divisible by 10. 200, divisible by 10. Means in units place, observe here, all units place having 0, then the number is divisible by 10. It is the divisibility rule by 10. Now we are going towards the next one, next divisibility rule. Divisibility by second one. Divisibility by second rule or second concept. Divisibility by 5. Here we just learned divisibility by 10. Now we are going to study the divisibility by 5. In divisibility by 5, we have same concept as we divisibility by 10 is there. Little bit change is there. What is that change? In units place, the number having 0 or 5. In units place, the number have 0 or 5. Then we call that number is divisible by 5. Okay? The number in its units place have 0 or 5. Then the given number is called as a divisible by 5. For example, write here example. Example here 65, 120, 0 is there, 0 come, and 225, 5005 is divisible, okay, or 100. These are the examples. The number which is divisible, which having in units place 0 or 5, then we call that number is divisible by 5. These are the examples. Okay. After the divisible by 5, we go towards the divisibility by next one division. Divisibility by 2. Divisibility by 2. Divisibility by 2. How you explain divisibility by 2 by any number? Here, simple concept is there. We have to write here two types definitions. One definition, the number in its units place, zero, comma 2, comma 4, comma 6, comma 8. The number having in its place 0, 4, 2, 4, 6, 8, then the number is divisible by 2. Or in other words, or all the even numbers, all even numbers are divisible by 2. All the even numbers we studied are divisible by 2. Here, these are the examples. We write here examples. Here we have tried the examples. Here 12, 6, 20, 126, 44. These are all numbers are divisible by 2. Now divisibility test of 2 is finished. Now we go through the next concept, divisibility. Here divisibility by 3 and divisibility by 9. First we have to study the divisibility by 3. Divisibility by 3. Divisibility by 3. How to study the divisibility by 3? Observe it. Take any number. Okay. Take any number. For example, we take here 1254. Whether we check the given number is divisible by 3 or not. Simply we say, if the number is multiple of 3, means here if I write here 18 is divisible by 3 because 18 is the multiple of 3. Okay. Similarly, 90 is also multiple of 3. 87 is also multiple of 3. But if the number is having more value, then at that time it is difficult to say it is a multiple of 3 by writing multiple. Okay, big numbers are there. At that time, what you do here you have to do 1 plus 2 plus 5 plus 4. Add simply add those numbers. What is the sum of here? 1, 2, 5 is 4. 1 plus 2, 3. 3 plus 5, 8. 8 plus 4, 12. Means 12 divides 3. You have to check here. If 12 divides 3, then the number is divisible by 3. If 12 divides 3, number is divisible by 3. Therefore, 1, 2, 5, 4 is divisible by 3. Okay. In the same way, check one more example. 2, 5, 6. It is 4. Check 2564. 2 plus 5 plus 6 plus 4. Check here. What is the sum term? Observe here. 2 plus 5 is 7. 7 plus 6 13. 13 plus 4 is 17. 13 does not divide. No, 17 does not divide 3. 17 divided by 3 not having 3 does not divide completely. Okay, here reminder for, so it is 2564 is not divisible by 3. This is the concept. We discussed that. This is the concept. Okay, divisibility by 3. Now we are going to study divisibility by 9. Divisibility by 9 is as same as divisibility by 3. Divisibility by 9. Divisibility by 9 is as same as divisibility by 3. Okay. Here, in a divisibility by 9, same concepts follows as we used in the divisibility by 3. For example, we check with an example. Here we take example. For example, 5,700. It is 5,700. It is 96. We have to check it whether the number given number is divisible by 3 or not. 9 or not, check it. Same concept we have to follow here. Here you have to follow same concept. First observe here, 5 plus 7 plus 9 plus 6 is equal to 5 plus 7 12, 12 plus 9 21, 21 plus 6 27. Now it is possible 27 divided by 9 is possible. You have here one value, it is 3, having no remainder. 3 is there. So 5,796 is divisible by 9. You say this is divisible by 9. For example, one more example we take here. 2,751. Check it. Add here 2 plus 7 plus 5 plus 1 is equal to 2 plus 7 9, 9 plus 1 10, 10 plus 15 is 50. Here we have 15 divided by 9, not possible. Here the remainder comes, so it is not divisible. Here it is divisible, it is not divisible. So 2000 here, right there. So 2751 is not divisible by not divisible by 9, not divisible by. This is the concept. These are the basic concepts we have to know first. Okay. After knowing these basic concepts, we are going to study the exercise part. Okay, exercise 1. Exercise 1.2. It is first question. If 21y5 is multiple of 9, where y is a digit, then what is the value of y? Y is a digit, then find the value of y. They ask. First question. 21y5. It is a multiple of 9. They asked that is a multiple of 9. It is a multiple of 9. Then find the value of y. 21y5. 21y5 is a multiple of 9. It is the multiple of 9. Multiple of 9. Then find the value of 1. We know divisibility of 9. Just we study divisibility of 9. From that concept, you find the value of 1. Observe it. It is 2, 1. It is y is right. Y is 5. Now we have to follow the divisibility of 9, 2 plus 1 plus it is y plus it is y plus 5 is equal to multiple of 9. We write here 9 or multiple of 9. Multiple of 9. What we say 9 or multiple of 9. Okay. Now check here. 2 plus 1 3. 3 plus 5 8. 8 plus y is equal to 9. 8 plus y is equal to 9. Here. Now 8 goes to LHS to RHS. It becomes negative 9 minus 8. Therefore, y is equal to, here it is 1. Y is equal to 1. You write y is equal to 1, or you write y is equal to 10, or you write y is equal to 90. In this way. Means if I write here 9, y is equal to 1. If I write 18, then 18 minus 10, 18 minus 8, 10 becomes. If I write 27, then y is equal to 20 because its multiple of 9 is there. Okay, 27. Then 27 goes to this side. Okay. After going 27 is here. After going 8 to this that side, it becomes 90. In the same way, then y is equal to 1, or y is equal to, or y is equal to 10, or y is equal to 19. In this way. Okay. Now we are going to solve the next question. Next question is that. If 31z5 is multiple of 9, 31z5 is multiple of 9, 31 it is z5 is multiple of 9, multiple of 9, same way, multiple of 9, multiple of 9, then find the value of z. First, we write 31z as it is. Here, 31z 5 we write as it is. Okay, multiple of 9 is there. Okay. Now we solve that by divisibility of x by 9. 3 plus 1 plus z plus it is 5 is equal to 3 plus 1 4, 4 plus 5 it is 9. 3 plus 1 4, 4 plus 5 9. Okay. Here we write 9 or multiple of 9. 9 or multiple of 9. Why we write 9 or multiple of 9? Because it is divisible. Multiple of 9 in question they have given 9 or 9 or multiple of 9 or multiple of 9. So now we have answer here 3 plus 1 4, 4 plus 5 9. 9 plus z is equal to 9. Therefore z is equal to this 9 goes to that side, it becomes minus z is equal to 0 is the answer for this question. Here z is equal to 0 if we put 9. If I write the multiple of 9 means if I put here 18, then what happens? 9 is the answer, z is equal to 9. If I put here 27, then here 18 is the answer. Okay, in this way. Here 0, z is equal to 0. Now we came to the next question, third question. If 24x is a multiple of 3, where x is a digit, what is the value of x? Here they ask value of x. 24x. 24 is x. 24 x. Okay. Then it is a multiple of 24x is a multiple of 3. Multiple of 3. of divisibility by 3. The same rule is there. How to divisibility by 9 is there? Same rule is there. So we write that 22 plus 4 plus x is equal to, it is multiple of 3. Means if we write here 3 or first we write here 3. If we take 3 or multiple of 3. 3 or multiple of 3 means 6 or 9 or 12. Okay. Now check here. 2 plus 4, 6. 6 goes to that way. 6 goes to that way means minus. If I take here 3, then minus 6. Answer is minus 2. It is not possible. So we have take here 2 plus 4 plus x is equal to, we have to take minimum 6. Here I write, if we take 6, then it is 2 plus 4 6 plus x is equal to 6. Therefore x is equal to, that 6 goes to this side means plus becomes minus. 6 minus 6, it is therefore x is equal to, it is 0. Now if we take x here 9, if we take 9, then what happens here? Observe here, 2 plus 4 is 4 plus x is equal to, here we take here 9 here 9, then 2 plus 4 6 plus it is x is equal to 9. Now x is equal to, 6 goes to that side means it becomes minus 9 minus 6. Therefore x is equal to this 3. Now here if we take x is equal to 6, if you take here 6, then x is equal to 0. If we take 9, x is equal to 3. Here we have to do one more. If we take as 9, if we take 12, then what happens? Observe here, 2 plus 4 plus it is x is equal to 12. Now 2 plus 4 it is 6 plus x is equal to 12. Now x is equal to that 6